Hi everyone, do you see this thing? Do you see it? I want to use this thing I'm doing to tell you about Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that for every action, there will be equal and opposite reaction. Alright? What is he trying to say? Trying to tell you that if this thing hit, if this beaker now hit another beaker, this second beaker now will try to hit it back. And why this beaker trying to hit it back, that is why you hear this sound you are hearing. Because the second beaker tried to hit back. Okay, so this one is action. This one is action. Then this beaker that is at one place will try to give reaction back. Okay, then there will be impact on it. There will be what? Impact or destruction as a result of the reaction from this one. And you know that I'm just doing it softly. I'm not doing it hard. If I do it harder now, there will be a damage. Do you understand? There will be what? A damage because of action of this one. Action of this one, I am now trying to hit with this. Then this one will try to give it equal reaction. The power you used to hit this thing on this now, this one try to give the same equal power. And that will result the damage of the two. Because there must be impact. This one is coming. This one say, no, I will not agree. If you come to hit me, I will give you equal hitting. As a result, there will be impact. There will be damage. Just like when a car have accident with another car as a result of collision. That is a car hitting another car. So the one that have acted as action is the one that first of all run into the other. Why the other will now give back the reaction the first one has brought. And there will be a damage. There will be a serious damage. The car will damage. There will be a great impact. That is what the third law is saying. That action, for every action, there will be equal and opposite reaction. Because look at this thing. This thing is coming like this. The reaction will be coming in opposite. That's why I said opposite. This thing must hit back. Okay, this thing I'm telling you now, try to knock yourself. Try to use your hand like this and knock on your head like this. Then your hand is now the action on your head. Then your head will try to give back the equal reaction. And what will be the impact now? Pains will come to your head. That's what they're trying to say. Okay, now think about balloon, for example. If I bring balloon, due to the nature of the balloon, if I try to act on this balloon, if I try to act on it, you see that balloon just move away as a kind of saying, no, I don't want a reaction with you. This is because of the nature of balloon, no? Because balloon is so light. That's why if you come, try to hit it, then the balloon try to hit back, but due to the nature, it will fly away. That is why there won't be damage on the balloon, because balloon is like a kind of, if you want to fight someone, for example, the person will say, no, I don't want to fight you. Try to fight the person first, and I don't want to fight you. Then while you trying to persuade the person to fight, the person will leave you and go. There won't be any fight, there won't be any impact, there won't be any damage, there won't be any trouble. But when the person comes to fight you back, there will be a damage, there will be trouble, okay? That's what the balloon normally do. Due to the nature, it will leave. You will not see much impact. There will be impact on your hand that hit it or anything that hit it. And balloon will fly away. But when you use needle, due to the nature of the needle, very pointed head, then it will deceive this balloon. Now the balloon will try to act back because the needle is very pointed. Then there will be an impact. You see the balloon bursting. So the law is true, it's natural. That is how God built it. That there must be reaction whenever you act on something. There must be reaction. And it is even applicable in our behavior. When you are not taking things serious, that thing will not taking you serious either. It will be opposite. When you are not studying your book to pass your exam, you are playing around, then during the exam you will not have something offhand to write. When you are not serious in your life based on try to make it in life, you are there doing one rubbish thing or the other. Then when your mate that are serious, that are putting action in what they are doing, then when they now start reaping the reaction coming from it, you see yourself envying them or pitying yourself that you are not making it. So this law is even applicable in our lives. So that every action you put in your life, there will be also a reaction in your life. If you act good things in your life, there will be also opposite. If you work very hard, there will also be reaction coming to you. Good things will be coming. Okay? So it is applicable in our life. So please try to make this law in your everyday living. That to every action you act, there must be equal and opposite reaction coming your way. Thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe, follow, and do things follow and comment on it and share it. Thanks.